Do you dream of academic success? Do you want to be the top student in your class? You can. It's possible to transform from an average student to an academic superstar. In just 15 days, you can unlock your potential and achieve greatness. This journey requires a structured approach, dedication, and a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and embrace the challenge ahead. You have the power within you to excel. This 15-day strategy will guide you step by step towards academic excellence. Get ready to unleash your inner scholar. This is not just about studying more, it's about studying smarter. It's about adopting habits that will help you learn better and faster. We'll focus on setting clear goals, creating a productive morning routine, and fueling your body and mind. Get ready for an exciting journey of transformation. Over the next 15 days, you'll discover powerful techniques and strategies. These will help you excel in your studies and beyond. Are you ready to begin? Every great achievement begins with a clear goal. It's like having a map to guide you to your destination. In the journey to academic success, setting goals is crucial. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Do you want to improve your grades in a particular subject? Do you aim to master a challenging concept? Once you have a target in mind, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. These are your daily or weekly goals. Having these smaller objectives makes the larger goal less daunting and more achievable. Remember to make your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my math grade," set a specific goal. "I will increase my math grade by 5 points in the next 2 weeks." This clarity will provide direction and allow you to track your progress effectively. As you achieve each small step, celebrate your success. This will keep you motivated and build momentum towards your ultimate goal. Remember, the power to transform your academic performance lies within you. Set clear goals, break them down, and watch yourself soar to new heights. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. A productive morning routine can be your secret weapon for academic success. Start by establishing a consistent wake-up time. This helps regulate your body's natural rhythm and optimizes your cognitive function. Instead of rushing into your day, dedicate a few minutes each morning to setting your intention for the day. What's the one thing you want to accomplish? Write it down. This simple act helps prioritize your tasks and ensures that the most crucial one receives immediate attention. Consider incorporating a first-letter ritual. Write down the first letter of the most important task you want to complete that day. This visual reminder will keep you focused and motivated. To make your morning routine even more effective, reward yourself for completing your first-letter task. This could be something small, like enjoying your favorite fruit or listening to an inspiring song. By associating task completion with a positive reward, you create a positive feedback loop that encourages productivity. Your brain needs fuel to function at its best. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your brain needs proper nutrition to perform optimally. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can lead to decreased energy levels and difficulty concentrating. Throughout the day, nourish your body with regular, balanced meals and snacks. Choose brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Staying hydrated is equally important. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including cognitive processes. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on it throughout the day. In addition to a healthy diet, physical activity plays a crucial role in enhancing cognitive function. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, improves memory, and reduces stress levels. You don't need to become an athlete overnight. Even short bursts of physical activity like taking a brisk walk or doing some jumping jacks can make a difference. Section 5. The power of friendly competition. Rise to the challenge. Competition, when approached positively, can be a powerful motivator. Engage in friendly challenges with your peers to push yourself further and achieve new heights. Join or form a study group where you can learn from each other, quiz each other, and celebrate each other's successes. Remember, the goal is not to outdo everyone else, but to strive for continuous improvement. By surrounding yourself with motivated individuals, you create an environment that fosters growth and excellence. Healthy competition can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. It can also inspire you to develop effective study strategies and learn from the approaches of others. Embrace the spirit of friendly competition and watch your academic performance soar. Section 6. Visualize your triumph, the power of imagination. Visualization is a powerful tool used by successful people across various fields. It involves creating a clear mental picture of yourself achieving your goals. Close your eyes and imagine yourself acing your exams, confidently answering questions in class, and receiving top marks. Visualize the feeling of accomplishment and pride that comes with academic success. By repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you train your mind to believe in your ability to succeed. This increased self-belief can significantly impact your performance. Visualization can also help reduce anxiety and boost your confidence. When you face a challenging task, visualize yourself overcoming it with ease and grace. This mental rehearsal prepares you for success and reduces the fear of the unknown. So, close your eyes, imagine your triumph, and let the power of visualization propel you towards your academic goals. Section 7. Time Management Mastery. Making every minute count. Time is your most valuable resource. Mastering time management is essential for academic success. Implement the powerful technique of time blocking. This involves allocating specific time slots for different activities throughout your day. Create a visual schedule, either on paper or using a digital calendar. Divide your day into blocks of time, assigning each block to a specific task or subject. For example, you might allocate 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for studying math, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. for completing a history assignment, and so on. Be realistic with your time estimates and prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. Don't forget to schedule in breaks. Regular short breaks can actually enhance your productivity by preventing burnout and maintaining focus. The strength of collaboration. Seeking support in your journey. Remember, you don't have to go through this journey alone. Seeking support and collaborating with others can significantly enhance your learning experience. Don't hesitate to ask questions in class, approach your teachers for clarification, or seek guidance from tutors or mentors. Form study groups with your peers to discuss challenging concepts, share study tips, and support each other. Collaboration not only provides valuable insights and perspectives but also creates a sense of community and shared accountability. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It demonstrates your commitment to learning and your willingness to utilize all available resources. Embrace collaboration as a powerful tool for academic success. Celebrating milestones. The power of positive reinforcement. As you embark on this 15-day journey, it's essential to celebrate your progress and acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Positive reinforcement plays a crucial role in maintaining motivation and building momentum. Set up a reward system for yourself. For example, after completing a challenging study session, reward yourself with a short break, a healthy snack, or an activity you enjoy. Celebrating your milestones reinforces positive habits and makes the learning process more enjoyable. Share your successes with others. Let your family and friends know about your academic achievements. Their encouragement and support will further fuel your motivation. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. Acknowledge your progress, reward your efforts, and watch your confidence soar. Embracing growth. Cultivating a mindset for success. Throughout this 15-day transformation, it's crucial to cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication, effort, and learning from your mistakes. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable learning experiences. Focus on the process of learning rather than solely on the outcome. Enjoy the journey of acquiring new knowledge and skills. Remember that intelligence is not fixed, it's malleable. The more you learn, the more connections your brain makes, and the more you're capable of achieving. Embrace a growth mindset and you'll unlock your full academic potential. Your 15-day transformation begins now. Congratulations! You've now been equipped with a powerful 15-day strategy to transform from an average student to an academic superstar. Remember, the key to success lies in consistent effort, a positive attitude, and a belief in your ability to grow. Embrace the challenges ahead, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning. Your journey to academic excellence begins now. Go out there and make it happen.